Was so wonderful, and I said I have an unofficial pick of the show because Dr. Lindsay Marshall is here. We got the green memo.
Yes.
Happy holidays, dear friend. What better way to end our gift-giving extravaganza for beauty than with the best thing that you can do for a younger looking appearance, a beautiful white smile, especially this holiday season. And look what's back, you guys, the whitening pre-rinse that we cannot keep in stock, and a new flavor. And the founder, our Dr. Smigel, his amazing wife, Mrs. Smigel, who is going to the office every day and affecting so much fabulous change along with Blanca. This is your choice for the first time ever of her favorite flavor. It is my husband's favorite flavor. I'm so glad it's finally here at QVC. This is called the Rose Water Mint. There's fewer than 400 to go around, and you get the whitening toothpaste and the Accelerator by Dr. Smigel, who truly has been honored in the Smithsonian as the father of cosmetic dentistry. In the middle, we have the Wild Mint, and that is for you if you really love that zest, fewer than 1,000. And then always a great place to start, especially if you're doing a gift of this beauty for the holiday season, and that's going to be your original mint, only $1,300. This is flying. It is $230 worth of amazing tooth, gum, oral health, and whitening. And Dr. Marshall, you devoted your life to this. I know you've seen so many countless patients, young and old, sit in your chair. We're here with the 3 pieces that are the favorite. And like we said, it should be $230. You're saving $177. Please go to auto delivery. We'll ship it to you every 4 months. But let's start with your doctor's eye, with a before and after. And we don't need to be a doctor to see the dramatic difference that Supersmile gives to us.
Absolutely. So just by switching out the products that you're using, so just push aside your drugstore toothpaste and rinses that you use, and these are the kind of results you can start to see. So upwards of a 6-shade difference in 30 days, and you're really not doing anything any differently. You're
Just
using your rinse, you're brushing your teeth, which you're hopefully already doing, so 2.5 minutes twice a day, and you can get that kind of result. And it's something I see every day in my office. Everybody wants a whiter smile. And this is the safest, most effective way to whiten your teeth just by rinsing and brushing. And you can only get results like this from a brand like Supersmile, because it was created by a dentist, Dr. Smigel, who was the father of aesthetic dentistry, as a way for everyone to be able to have a healthier, whiter smile just by rinsing and brushing. And his genius is our proprietary ingredient, Calprox. And Calprox is the magic of Supersmile. It's why it works, why you get a 6-shade difference with no sensitivity, no discomfort in a totally clean beauty product. Calprox is an encapsulated calcium peroxide that breaks down the protein layer that forms on your teeth. And that protein layer is food and bacteria that adheres to your teeth every time you eat and drink. And as you can imagine, when you gently lift that off the teeth, you're not only removing what the stain's adhering to, but you're improving the overall health of your teeth and gums. Because again, this was created by a dentist for his patients. So this is a total oral health care product with the bonus of whitening.
All
and
right,
look
I
at
just
those
want to
results.
say, this is your smile in the after by Christmas.
Exactly.
If you are that yellow, this is your smile by Hanukkah, by simply brushing your teeth twice a day. But by the way, the pre-rinse
is magical.
I mean, it's always
everybody
sold out.
knows it, everybody loves it, and all we do is switch up that routine. So you're gonna pre-rinse. 30-second pre-rinse. It takes 3 squirts in the pump. That's why I love when we have the jumbo size in the pump. You can feel it working, and it prepares the teeth to receive the whitening from the toothpaste and Accelerator.
So it makes it even better.
Absolutely.
And
So
by the way,
it's just like the 1-2 punch of whitening. And then we've got the jumbo sizes. These are 8 ounce. We've got the 32-ounce pre-rinse. So these are jumbo sizes. They're lasting you forever in the most popular flavors.
So I just want to jump in because this is the first day we've done this on free shipping and handling, and that's leaving us at the end of the day. What I'm holding in my hand is the Accelerator. That's $140 on its own. And you would spend that because this is at least a 4-month supply. Honestly, it's longer than that, but we know your friends are going to be using it in the family. So it's a dollop of that. It's a dollop. You don't have to do anything else. You don't have to add any other type of toothpaste.
Nope, it's a pearl size drop of each one. So a little goes a long way with Supersmile.
Yes, it really does.
So when we're giving you these jumbo sizes, you have to remember you use so little. It's not like a big glop of it. So this is lasting you a long time, and you're getting all the best flavors. The rosewater mint, I have to tell you, I give that out in my office.
It's game-changing.
It is a fan favorite. It's an unexpected floral, but when you use it, you're like, wait, this is different, but this is amazing. It stays with you. My patients love it.
I finally got him to get on.
It's one of our most popular flavors that everyone asks for.
By the way, this is a first day ever at this low price, and that's going up at the end of the day. And I don't know if you know about this, Dr. Marshall. We're doing a deal 15. You can get another 15% off of Supersmile. And we never, ever, ever, ever do it with the whitening pre-rinse. One time, I actually was drinking red wine, and I went upstairs at the end of the night.
Did you do a little swish first?
I swished, and I spit, and I was like, oh, and look at all that burgundy that would have been staining my teeth. So let's let you know what's left. I have never seen rosewater mint on the air before. There's 250 to go around. There is a little bit of a sweetness to it, a softness to it. It is gentle.
But it's a floral. It's like nothing else. And Supersmile does the most amazing flavors. If you like Persian food, if you like that kind of flavor, that's the rosewater mint.
So then we go into the wild mint, which is one of my favorites because it's a zesty pick-me-up in the morning.
And you love that. So if you already know and love our original mint, try one of these fun flavors because you're going to love them. And the wild mint is exactly that.
And go on auto delivery because this is on sale the first time ever at this low price. This is the only presentation till midnight, and at midnight the price will go up.
And don't we all love auto delivery?
We do.
I mean, it just comes
to my home, and I'm like, oh,
don't have to think about it.
And I don't have to go back to, unfortunately, what Dr. Marshall said, this is clean beauty. A lot of the toothpaste you're using is not clean.
It's not, and you'll feel that
difference.
This
is original mint, and there's about 1,100 there to go around. And the rosewater is about to go. There's 100 left. Yes, we saw the before and afters, but Dr. Marshall is here to talk about the fact that this is clinically shown to do this after 30 days, and now you can use it to the end of January. And if you wanted to return it then, you could. You won't. But check this clinical study out.
Exactly. So in 30 days, you can get an average of a 3.2 shade difference and upwards of a 6 shade difference. That's like professional level whitening without an office visit, without the high cost of whitening, sensitivity, and you don't have to avoid those things you know and love to eat and drink. So, you know, when you do whitening, usually we're like, oh, you have to go on a white diet and you don't want to have things that are going to re-stain your teeth. What Supersmile is doing is just erasing that every time you're eating and drinking, but the way that it's doing so gently, it's not abrading the teeth, there's no harsh abrasives, there's nothing drying your mouth out, and when you use things that do that, you actually stain more. So that's why it builds over time. Do we lose the rosewater?
We're running out of time in the show. We've had 1,000 ordered. We have 800 people left in the 800 left in the wild mint. We have 1,000 in the original. Dr. Marshall, thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
Our best to the whole Supersmile family. And what a fun day this has been, where we've been doing